So I created a new tool in Rust. It's called PRKMDGen. You can install it by cargo install. There you have it. Then you have a bunch of options available with it. So you can try for help and you get sample, prompt, extract, or none. Let's start with a sample. So PRKMDGen sample. And then you have a sample.md. Right? It gives you some code of how you would structure it. Next, we have a prompt command. So let's do a prompt and then you get a generated prompt, right? So what it does is it gives you an expected format. Each code block should be associated with such and such annotation styles. So there is XML styles, there is MD style, there is delimiter style, then there is raw style, and then these are a bunch of styles available, and then there is files code style, right? Now the next is a extract. So use something like extract, then maybe let's delete this one, extract. So in output slash code base, it generated you an extracted code base file. It's basically the entire full code base you have. So all of your code present inside your current working directory is available here. And at the top, you get your project tree. Let's go into our output file and then let's run one more command. So you have prkmdgen and then let's do a help once again. So what you want is you can directly generate your code from this md file. So you have prkmdgen, then you do something like give me output here only, and let's execute this. Sure, why not? And then this does processing your file and then generates your code base. If you go to code base, you get your cargo toml, your watch file, and your write file. Everything there starting from here and moved up to here. Pretty cool, right?